Today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your security group on the CASFS Plus platform. I'm going to be showing you how to set up your security group for a user and for a team. And I also will be showing you how to set up your default security groups. So first thing we do, we start at the dashboard and go to the left sidebar, and under EC2 settings we click security groups. And then we get brought to this page where we can manage our security groups. Right now you can see the active security groups, and you can see a little bit of information about each security group. You can also edit and delete these security groups over here with these buttons, but we're going to get to that later. First thing we're going to do is add a new security group. So we're going to click this button up here. Once we click that, we can see the collective options that we can choose from. I'm going to click this one here at the bottom. I'll click Save. And from here you can select the users and teams that you want to have access to the security group. You can select individual users and individual teams, or you can select multiple. You can also click Select All and Deselect All. So we're going to scroll down and click right here. And then once we have made our selections, we click Save. So you can see that the security group assignments have successfully been saved. And we can go back to our security groups under EC2 settings, and you can see that it has been added here. Now say I made a mistake and I want to go and edit some of the permissions. So I go over to this button, click Edit Permissions, and I get brought back to the same page. And as you can see, the same user and team are here, but say we want to add 2 more users, we click those 2 and then click Save. And you can see that the security group has successfully been saved. To set up our default security group, we go to the Admin tab and click Configuration. And once here you can scroll down to default security groups, and as you can see I have one default security group here. To edit this, we go over to this tab and click Edit, and here we can add another security group. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go back and highlight the security group we want to add. Let me go back, click Edit, and then we just add it with a comma and then paste in the new security group. So we'll click Save, scroll down again, and you can see that the default security group now has 2 in it. Say we only want 1, we just go back and delete to whichever security group we want. And that is how you manage security groups on the CASFS Plus platform.